After working here for so long, you kind of get numb to what cool cars are. Every single time we get one of these M3s in, it's just hands down my favorite car. We have this brand new BMW M3 in for a 4-year Expel Fusion ceramic coating. Caleb just got done polishing some of the paint. He's gonna, a couple more places he's still got to polish, and then he's gonna get down to some ceramic on the wheels and the paint, get it ready to go back to the customer. Then over here, currently he's working on this baby blue CT5. This got an Expel track package. So it's got paint protection film on the full front bumper, full hood, both full fenders, both mirrors, then the rockers the whole way down the side to the back bumper to protect you from daily driving, and then to finish it up with an 8-year Expel Fusion ceramic coating. Over here, we got Tyler throwing down some black gloss vinyl on the roof of this Porsche 944 just to make it stand out and look a little different. Then behind John, we got this brand new BMW M50 X3. This came in for a full tint job. We're doing Expel XR ceramic tint on all the side windows, plus ceramic tint on the full windshield with 55% to keep them cool during the summer. Beside the 944, we just finished Mr. Barbish's Escalade. This thing is finally done. It's looking great. Everything's blacked out. We're waiting for some emblems to come in to finish that off before we give it back to him. We pulled this thing outside today. It looks absolutely phenomenal. We got a full paint protection wrap on it, full ceramic coating. We did the headlights and taillights gloss black. Everything's looking great on this thing and getting ready to go back to Ed. And in the PPF bay, this truck, this guy wanted as much coverage as he can. We did paint protection film on the tailgate, bed sides, all 4 doors, the front fenders, hood, and front bumper. So pretty much a full wrap except for the roof. No worries about this black paint getting scratched up and looking bad. It's always gonna look nice and glossy and protected for our customer. Then Max is finishing up. This is our good friend Vince, his mom's car. We are doing paint protection film on the full front bumper and full hood, and then we did some tint on it as well. Over in the tint bay, T is just finishing off some XR fronts on this brand new Mazda. So a lot of the SUVs and trucks come with tint on the back stock already. So what we can do is match those 2 fronts for you to make everything look uniform and to keep the interior a little bit cooler for you. And coming outside, finally we got beautiful weather. We have this Corvette. This Corvette's here for a 4-year Expel Fusion ceramic coating. We just got it in today. They're gonna prep it and then we're gonna start that off. Then right beside it, we have another Corvette. This one is in here for tint. Once T's getting done with that appointment he has in right now, he's gonna pull this in and that's getting a full tint job on it. Then coming around to the back, we have this big Dodge Ram 3500. This is a good friend of our John's. John got the Expel 4-year ceramic coating done to it, took the wheels off, did the inside bare of the wheels, all the glass, the plastics, tonneau cover, everything's good, protected, and it's gonna be super glossy for him in the summer. Coming around in the front, we got Wes's Ferrari still. We got all the paint protection film off of that. Everything is prepped and we're getting ready to, I think, send that off to paint real quick, paint a couple things, and then back here for paint protection film. Beside is Josh's Lambo. And then last but not least, we got this new Corvette in. We did a track package for that. That's the full front plus the rockers down the side the whole way to the back bumper. That's actually ready to go home. The customer stopped by today to check it out while he was still on his bike and likes everything. He's gonna pick it up later on today. That's all we have here at the LATROBE shop. Let's kick it down to Gibby and see what Luke got.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is a Chevy Silverado. We did this vehicle about a year ago. It was involved in an accident, so we redid some paint protection film on the front fender, bumper, and then recoated those pieces. Next up is a brand new CH Stingray. It's got a track package, full front and lower sides, window tint and 20% on the 2 front windows, and a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In Mark's Bay is a Raptor. You may recognize this vehicle from a month ago. We did a full wrap and coating on this. He got some bedside decals. So these aftermarket decals on the side, there was a delay in shipping. They just came in. So we brought the vehicle back in, polished off the ceramic coating, applied the decals, and recoated the bedsides. Next up is a big black GMC. We did vinyl on this vehicle. It was an upper cab delete. From this point up, we did black vinyl on it about 9 months ago. The customer had to change a heart, wants to go all white now. Vinyl is off. It's gonna head to the paint shop to get the truck cap and the flares painted white to match the body. In the tint bay, we got Cool working on a RAV4. This is getting tint on the side windows and the back window, net 20% in our Prime XR series. We got Jason doing some PPF on the Silverado from our friends at IBS Builds. I was doing what we now call the IBS package. We do a lot of these trucks, probably 7 to 10 of these trucks a year. It's a partial front, A-pillars roof, wear and tear, and the upper half of the bed sides and tailgate. In the back up on the lift, we got our full wrap of the week. It is a Porsche 911. This is getting a full body 8mm paint protection film wrap and a 4-year ceramic coating. Outside is our biggest vehicle of the week by far. It's an RV on a Freightliner chassis. So this is getting a full polish and ceramic coating. It's going to be quite the undertaking for Mark, but this vehicle is heading to Alaska sometime in May. So just to make that drive easier with maintenance and whatnot, we're going to get the entire thing, besides the roof, polished and coated. Another full wrap this week is this AMG GT from our friends at Ford and Traffic. This thing only has 400 miles on it, just arrived to PA from California. It's going to go full body, 8mm paint protection film wrap. That is all for Gibsoni. Let's see what Felipe and the guys are doing down in South Florida.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. This Cobra came in a couple weeks ago for a partial PPF, and now it's back for an 8-year premium coating. She's all done, basically waiting for customer to pick up. Here we have this Rivian R1S. This is getting a full body stealth paint protection film with gloss PPF over all the gloss black areas. Here you can see part of the front end is already started, giving it that beautiful sheen. Here we have this Porsche 911. Came in a couple weeks ago for a full front and 8-pillar kits. Had a little bit of an issue with the front bumper, which we took care of because we stand behind all of our work. So now she's ready to go back home to be enjoyed. Here in the tent bay, we have this Model Y that's getting 2 fronts and a sunroof. Here you can see the passenger side's already done. Alfredo's working on the driver's side.
After a relaxing trip to Florida, the Flat Glass team is back in action, tinting this entire house in Fox Chapel behind me with Expel Clearview Plus 70. The homeowner has previous experience with fading damage, and with all the glass in this house, they want to make sure that all of the renovations they did to the home stay protected from UV rays and infrared heat. Not only is the front side of the house getting done, but the entire back side is as well, including a number of skylights and large windows that let in a ton of light and have already destroyed the carpets and blinds that they have put up in the home. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys on the next building.